In my late 40s, life came crashing down around me over the course of just 9 months. First my health, then my career, then my marriage. And years later, after a long line of doctors, therapists, modalities, spiritual and nutritional cures and practices, all the way from 12-step programs to a healer in Tibet, I had no foolproof strategy for embracing and handling the hard stuff, even after all that. Then one day, it all changed. All the pieces fell into place, and my life was completely transformed from the inside out. I'm Shawn Mashey, and I not only found a foolproof strategy, I now teach it. Hundreds of clients and students I've shared it with realize what I realized that memorable day, that there is a symmetry inherent in whatever upsets us, and learning how to utilize it for our own benefit is not just another tool or methodology, it's a shift of a lifetime. I believe that feeling better is far easier than you think. It's not magic, it's learnable. In fact, it's a science. It's absolutely predictable. I've spent 2 decades researching what I call the reliable symmetry of happiness, which creates in us a fearless, win-win way of life, fueled by self-love and service. Once you know how to harness the hard stuff as your patient, friend, and teacher, an unshakable sense of safety, confidence, and enoughness start to emerge, so you can stop the search for a fix and relax into a life that finally fits. Teaching people how to do this is my life's work. I'd love to share it with you. It's very simple. Let me save you some time and money. No more seeking, no more courses, no more waiting, because you're the one you've been waiting for. But you don't have to believe me. Find out for yourself. Click the link below and schedule a 50-minute happiness breakthrough session with me. No matter what you're dealing with, your biggest challenges hold the key to your biggest breakthroughs. See you there.